Hello everyone, today's lesson is about conversion of measure of length, and we're going to use metric system of measurement. Well, in here, you have to remember that in measure of length, the basic unit is meter, and we're going to use a converter diagram to simplify the changing of units of length. So, km stands for kilometer, hm for hectometer, DAM for decameter, M for meter, DM for decimeter, cm for centimeter, and for millimeter. So these are the steps that you need to follow. First is to write the given, which is 85. Because we're going to convert 85 kilometers into meters. Next is to identify the location of the decimal point. But since this is a whole number, then the decimal point is on the right side of the last digit. So what's next? You need to count the spaces from kilometers to meters, because that will be the movement of the decimal point. So let us now count. 1, 2, 3. So as you observe, there are 3 movements to the right, and therefore the decimal point in here will also have 3 movements to the right. 1, 2, 3. Now what to do with the spaces? Well, in here you will add zeros, which means to say that if you rewrite your answer, you will add 3 zeros, which means that 85 kilometers is equivalent to 85,000 meters. Another, let's convert 9 decameters to decimeters. So again, let us write the given. Since this is a whole number, this will be the location of the decimal point. So let's count how many steps from decameters to decimeters. So 1, 2. 2 movements to the right. So 1, 2. Therefore, we will add 2 zeros, which means to say that 9 decameters is equivalent to 900 decimeter. Another, 7.8 hectometers to centimeters. So, let us write the given. And as you observe in here, the decimal point is between 7 and 8. So next is to count how many steps from hectometers to centimeters. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps to the right. So this will also have 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means we will add 3 zeros. And if we rewrite our answer, 7.8 hectometers is equivalent to 78,000 centimeters. Another, 12.95 kilometers to hectometers. So, let us write the given. And let us count how many movements from kilometers to hectometers. So, there is only one movement to the right. So, we will move the decimal point once, and the decimal point will be here, which means to say that 12.95 kilometers is equivalent to 129.5 hectometers. Another, 1.675 meters to millimeters. So let us write the given. And let us now count how many steps from meters to millimeters. So 1, 2, 3. Therefore, there will be 3 movements to the right. 1, 2, 3. As you observe, there are already numbers on the space, and therefore, we're not going to add zeros anymore. So, 1.675 meters is equivalent to 1,675 millimeters. Well, how about in here for number 6, 500 meters to decameters. So, let us write the given. So that is from meters to decameters. As you observe, the movement is to the left. Since it moves one step to the left, then we're going to move the decimal point one step to the left. And since this is a whole number, this is the location of the decimal point. So one step to the left. And since this is 0, this is not significant anymore. So we will write 50, which means 500 meters is equivalent to 50 decameters. Another, 268.7 centimeter to millimeter. So let us write the given, 268.7 centimeter to meter. So let's count from centimeter to meter. 1, 2. 2 movements to the left. So we will move the decimal point 2 times to the left. 1, 2. Which means 268.7 centimeter is equivalent to 2.687 meter. Another, 875 centimeter to kilometer. So let's write 875. So that is from centimeter to kilometer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 movements to the left. Again, this is a whole number. So this is the location of the decimal point. And we have to move it 5 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be the new location of the decimal point. 0.00875. So we have to add 0 first before we write the decimal point. And let's just copy this. So there are 2 zeros, and then we have 8, 7, and 5. And for the last one, let us convert 8.7 decimeter to decameter. So let us write the given, 8.7. So from decimeter to decameter, there are 2 movements. So we will move this 2 times to the left. 1, 2. Again, before we write the decimal point, we must have 0 first. So 0.087. And that's it. I hope you learned. Thank you.